Welcome to the HCS 1201 HappyVoyager. If you're shopping around for your first machine or even adding on and you've been looking anywhere for a small machine either on the domestic market or the industrial market, this is the perfect in-between machine, which will be perfectly located in between the industrial machine and the domestic machine. It has big functions for small machines. The main quality is that you have a sewing field 12 by 12, which is really the size you have when you have the big industrial machine, and you also have 12 colors. So this machine, when you purchase it, it comes in with options. So you have the options to buy caps, the stand, and the deluxe hoop kit, which we feel you should have because you cannot really do anything with just one hoop. So like I said, if you're shopping around for just a few dollars more, you can get this machine as opposed to other brands you will see on the market that are really close in price to this one, but only have 6 colors and smaller sewing field. So you can check this out. It comes in a regular box, which can be shipped by FedEx or UPS, as you can see to take out and see on the video. And it's pretty easy out the box, and the machine can be lifted with one strong guy from the back. You grab it from the back, and you can lift it and place it in the family plan or even the back seat of a pretty big car. That's no problem. So it's very easy to carry around. That's why we call it the Voyager. So like I said, you can do caps, you can do shirts, sleeve. It has all the function of all the big machines you will see, but comes in a smaller format. Also, the very, very easy to use control panel is really like a great way to go to school on embroidery, because the control panel asks you a question as you go. What color are you going to do? Do with the design. Will it fit in the hoop? You can do a trace. So the machine will ask you a question and take you through the whole process. Even my 13-year-old daughter did 10 names on this, had 0 experience of embroidery. I did 1 name in front of her, and she did the next 9 without me helping her, because the machine was really a good way to start up. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into the HappyLink software, which is a software that sends the design directly into the memory of the machine. And then I'm going to show you a little bit how easy this control panel is to operate.
Done. So I'm going to open the HappyLink software, open my stitch file. So I go into open pattern right here, and automatically you can go anywhere in your computer and select that stitch file. As you can see, all the DST file that were on my computer are showing up, but I'm looking for the skater file, which was right here that I downloaded from the Super Punch Manager. So I click OK right here. Boom, here's my file. Ready to go to the machine. All I have to do is click send pattern right here, and we're done. Basically, it's open pattern and send pattern to the machine. You're done. That's it.
So whether you brought your design with a HappyLink software or USB key or flash card, you can do a trace right here. The machine's doing a trace and going all around the design. This is the Super Punch logo. It's tracing. It's going to move to needle number 3. We press start right here, and there we go. So we're going to start sewing, and we're safe. We're not going to hit the hoop. Design fits in there, and here we go. So now we're doing the Canadian flag right here, doing a fill stitch, as you can see, on needle number 1, and there we go, a little faster here on the red color. We're skipping some of the action. We don't want to stay here for 5 minutes and sew the design, but there we go, just a nice cut. And then when the machine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slow penetration of the needle to make sure the hook is really gonna hook up with the top thread. There we go, the thread cut mechanism. Machine moving to make sure nothing gets stuck underneath. And we're gonna finish that Canadian flag in just a second.
And it's moving back to needle number 1 for your next run. So we're imagining you have many to do. There we go, take it out. Voila. And another nice little function of this machine, so it's called a Voyager because you can do lettering right on the machine, as you can see right here. So we're going through the process of picking the letters. Right here we're going to spell Super Punch. A little bit similar to how people do it on a cell phone when they're texting. This is very similar. So it's not the most handy or the fastest way to do lettering, but it's incorporated in the machine. So you don't need any software. You could be stuck somewhere. You brought the machine to a show or to an event and you need to write a name or a city or something. You can do it right on the machine. So you don't lose an order. So right here you're selecting the style of the letter, the height. So you have like 3 styles of letter, 3 heights, and the width. And right here it's calculating the data and putting in direction of the pattern, writing a name. And it can become handy, like I said. So there we go. It's going to sew Super Punch.
So as you can see, the Voyager is a really versatile machine. Small machine with big functions. And also, it's made by Happy with a tradition of making really tough machine in Japan for years and years, dating as far back as the early 70s for computerized embroidery. So you get a history and a tough little machine in this one. It can even do fonts for you if you're stuck. Right on the keyboard, you can just go ahead and write any name you want. So we invite you to don't worry, buy Happy.